What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change buy it now color on Shopify. Now this is very easy and quick. All you have to do, guys, is you need to go to the description of this video and you need to copy the code that I'm going to mention in the video. Okay, so you just need to copy that code, and then you want to go back, and then you want to open your Shopify store, as you can see, and then you want to click on online store. And then what you need to do, guys, next is you need to click on these three little dots, as you can see, and you want to click on edit code, and in the top left you want to search for base.css. okay, that's what you need to search for, base.css, and this is the file that we need. Okay, click on it. After you click on this file, this is the code. You want to scroll at the very bottom. That's where you need to paste the code that I mentioned in the description. The very bottom, you want to paste here the code, Ctrl V, and as you can see, this is the code. You want to click on save. Now you can play with it as you want. If you want to change it to yellow, you just need to change this code. As you can see, this code, as you can see, let me show you an example. Now the color is blue. Okay, as you can see, it's blue. But if you want to change it to, for example, red, you just need to search on Google for red, next to which code. Okay, and it will give you the code of red. You want to copy then that code. This is the code. Go back to the code that you have pasted inside your Shopify, and then you can play with it. If you want to change, for example, background color, you just need to remove the previous code and paste the new code. Okay, this is the code. Click on save, and now I'm going to reload the page. As you can see, it's red now. Okay, if you want to change, for example, the color to red, you can do that. Just paste here the code. Okay, click save. As you can see, everything here will be red. So hopefully this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.